Ah! Oh, he's stuck. He's a little bit stuck. I got a rope, don't worry. Oh, loose things. We're gonna have to get the rope.
I don't think I have any more props.
That's it. It's stuck. This is why. Look, the little birds are back. They're like, ah, they can't fly anymore, and they come back every time. All right, so we got the battery tied on the end of the sweet long rope. Professor found a stick. Sometimes a stick is better than the rope because you can poke things out, but I feel like this is a rope situation. Careful, don't get it tangled. The trick to the rope is don't get it tangled. Right. Oh, pro tip, make sure you bundle correctly so that when you go to throw it, you're not burning daylight. I think we're gonna go, yeah, he's got it already, he knows the plan. I might not have handed it to you correctly. It's a bad rope handoff. Bad pass. Bad pass. That's not it. We're gonna edit that out. This is what I was talking about. Pro tip: when you're rope bundling is key, and if you don't, just spool it out. Just spool it out, kids. That way you got. Right, there we go. Now we're good. Now I think we're set. We should be good. Just get the cable out. Don't even worry. It's gonna go right over the branch. One and done. It was soft. That was a soft toss. Another pro tip is that the good thing to use is a dented battery, because if you have a battery that's already dented, this is the one you tie under the thing. That always have several dents. Yeah, it does. You got it this time. 5th time's the charm. All right, let me get in there. Let me get in there. Take it over, kid. If all else fails, do it yourself. Oh, that wasn't it. That was a real good throw. It's not tough. It might work. That might be. The next one's in. The next one's in. It's not like it's in. That's just not on your foot. That's personal experience. We're in there. We're in there. We're in there. I'm touching the copter with the rope. I'm trying to get the battery. Oh, we got it! We got it. See? 2 tries. 2 tries. Quadcopter Recovery! Is it broken? It's just got loose props.
Just loose props.
But there's a hawk over there. We're gonna go see what's up.
And if we got a problem, we talk together. So let's head down south, escape the bad weather. Ooh, 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 ooh. The rain came through my treetop and washed away so many things I couldn't learn till I went through. I didn't know till I met you. Now I'm learning the hard way, learning the hard way, learning the hard way to be true. Now I'm learning the hard way. Birds of a feather, we rock together. And if we got a problem, we talk together. Oh, and down south, escape the bad weather. I said, oh, ooh, 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 oh. Birds of a feather, we rock together. If we got a rock together, talk together. Down south, escape the bad weather. Oh, yeah. so many things, harder than the breeze on which we once flew, farther from the tree where I met you. So I'm learning the hard way, learning the hard way, learning the hard way to be true. I'm learning the hard way. Yeah, birds of a feather, we rock together. Oh, if we got a problem, we talk together. You know we're gonna talk together. Down south and escape the bad weather. We run, birds of a feather, we run together, and we talk together. So let's head down south and escape the bad weather. Yeah. The sun came to my treetop, and it shone so bright it lit up everything. Shone the light of something that was so true. And suddenly I knew I had to have you. I'm learning the hard way, learning the hard way, learning the hard way to be true. I'm learning the hard way. Instead of feather, we rock together. We rock together. We rock together.
He's just cold chilling.
Is he in the tree?
Yeah, he's sitting on that the edge of it. He kind of always, there's one or two of them that sit on that edge over there all the time. And they'll usually let you chill and they'll look at you and hang out. And he's like mega chill. What's up, buddy? He's just kind of like looking at me left and right a little bit. I'm trying to not get too close, but it's hard not to because he looks so awesome. And I can see him clear as day now. I'm gonna back away slowly. Back away slowly. Back away. There we go. Later. Thanks, Hawk dude. No, he's just trying to chill up there looking for dinner. Oh, dude, I know. I'll go scare him about some dinner. Then he'll be stoked on us. Make a bunch of noise in the grass? Yeah, he likes that. I'm sure birds have like signature peace outs when they fly away. They're like, later, dude. So I gave him my signature peace out. So he knows it's me.